a couple of little tips that you might not have thought of. Have you ever noticed when you walk up to a door and there's a mat that says welcome home? There is a psychology behind this. You may choose, if you can do so, because some condo communities don't allow you to have a mat in front of your door. Or you might be in a townhome community that restricts mats in front of the door, or it could be a safety issue for you. On the other hand, if you're in a situation that you can do this, something that you might consider, you may consider purchasing a doormat that says, welcome home. If you don't have one and you don't want to purchase one, let me know. That might be something that I could provide to you, just so that we can create that experience when people come through the front door. We want to welcome them home. Now, along that same line, some of the other things that people may not think about when they're selling a property: fresh flowers. Fresh flowers. It's amazing how you can put some fresh flowers in the bathroom and put some fresh flowers maybe on a dining room table, or maybe pick out which area you want to put those flowers in. But you can put some fresh flowers in. One, it perks up your mood and it feels really great, unless you have allergies. We want to acknowledge everyone. But if you don't have allergies or a reason you can't have fresh flowers in your property, the fresh flowers might be something that would be a great addition, and it perks up your home just a little bit more so that that buyer feels at home and they really enjoy that experience. Let's see, one more thing. Check your locks, check your doors. I know this is a compilation of a lot of different tips. Have you ever seen a property, or maybe you visit a friend and you've taken a hold of that sliding glass door and it creaks across, or it's really hard and you have to stress to pull that sliding glass door open? Or you go to shut a door and it won't shut properly, or it doesn't stay shut. Or maybe it's the lock at the front door. Maybe it doesn't lock all the way, or maybe it's really hard to get that key in there. Those are important things to note. Many times the buyers have come to a door like that, a sliding glass door, and they've gone to open the door, or I've opened the door for them, and when I do, there's that struggle to get the door open. So take a look down at the sliding glass door tracks. So many times, because we live in our homes, and that's what they're intended for, there may be a bit of dirt in the track. Go ahead and clean out that dirt out of the track, get it really clean down in there, and that may help a little bit in getting the door to slide. Also, open and close each of your doors. Notice if your locks are hard to use. If the locks are hard to use and that sliding glass door is really hard to pull open, a buyer may wonder, and we want to exclude this, we don't want a buyer to wonder, but a buyer may wonder what else is behind, what else wasn't taken care of. So doors are very important. So these 3 tips we'll recap for just a moment. We talked about some fresh flowers in your property. We talked about the doors and the locks of your property. And then we talked about that doormat saying welcome home. I mean, really, don't you want to be welcomed home? So I hope those are a few tips that will help you today in our series of seller tips.